Another fine vehicle offered by Alexander Toyota.
This is a 2005 Honda Odyssey. Room for the entire family. It has a 3.5-liter six-cylinder engine and a 5-speed automatic transmission. Its top features include third-row seats, air conditioning with automatic climate control, cruise control, a CD player, a 4-wheel independent suspension, traction control and stability control systems, an anti-lock braking system, side curtain airbags, steering wheel mounted controls, and roof rails. This Honda has had only one owner, and it qualifies for the Carfax buyback guarantee. This vehicle won't last long at this price. Call and arrange a test drive now.
Alexander Toyota Franklin is located at 1875 West McEwen Drive, off exit 67 on I-65 in Cool Springs, right next to Kohl's and Walmart. Come see us today.